Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana Felicia. So today we are going to prepare orange cake, but we are not going to prepare the way we normally do on the other videos, starting from scratch. Today we are going to use Betty Crocker Cakemix. This one is going to be super easy. You won't need a lot of ingredients for it because it's already mixed. Yeah, that's why it's called a cake mix. So it's super easy to prepare it. Yeah, even if you don't know how to bake, definitely when you use this, you will bake something superb. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on the notification button so that when I upload a new video, you can be notified. For the ingredients to make the super moist orange cake, the ingredients are written behind there, which is 275 ml cup of water. We have our water here. This jug has the measurements, so you can be able to read through. Then you'll need a third cup of vegetable oil. Yeah, this is a third. Mostly you can use this measuring cups, so you'll get a third. And lastly, you need the 3 eggs. Yeah, our machine also is ready. The first step is to preheat the oven at 180 degrees. Grease the pan with butter and lightly flour. Yeah, so our oven is preheating already. 45 minutes, then at 180 degrees, then you put to be both up and down. The heat come from up and down. Yeah, this is going to be our baking pan. So I've greased the pan with butter and a little bit of flour. Yes, the next step is beat cake mix, oil, water and eggs in large bowl on low speed until moistened. Beat on medium speed for 2 minutes, then pour in the pan. In our bowl, we are going to put the cake mix. Once you put the cake mix, you're going to put your vegetable oil. Then you're going to need your water, 275 ml of water. Then your eggs. Remember, it's 3 eggs. Using this mixing machine, we are going to set it at 1 at low speed. Until everything mixed well and it's moistened. Yeah, so it's working. Now I think it's well mixed. As you can see, the consistency. So pretty much we are going to pour this in our pan. We are going to remove the mixture lightly. So I've already removed our mixture from the mixing machine. Now we're going to pour. You take your spatula. I don't know if it's called a spatula back there. You just take your spoon, then you help out to remove the remaining. I've already removed the mixture. Now it's on our pan. And now I'm going to put it in the oven. In the oven, they've said the third step is bake 40 to 45 minutes or until toothpick inserted in center comes out clean. Cool for 10 minutes, then remove from pan. Cool completely on a wire rack. Okay, so pretty much that's what we are going to do. We are going to put this in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes, yes. Take a mixture. Press it. Yeah. So at 40, let's put 40, then 180 degrees, then both mixtures there. Okay, let the magic happen. So from this to this, it looks nice, super moist. It's like sponge. It has oil. Yeah. When you just follow the steps written behind these ones, yeah, you get this. This is nice. And the smell, whew, yeah, oranges everywhere.